curl hack nobody ever told me, but I'm here to tell you. Arch the back of the butt. Bro, is it literally? This is the time. 8:42 p.m. And I will be starting my entire wash and go routine right now. I'm like, honestly, I'm literally tired as hell. Ooh, I'm tired. But if I don't do this now, I'm not gonna do it tomorrow. And I can't do it the next 2 days after that. So guess what? I have no choice but to do it now. Ooh, y'all like my shirt though? She's cute, right? I've seen Stranger Things. This is a cute little shirt. It's a little tight, goddamn.
You are like Papa.
This is gonna be my updated curly hair routine. I've gotten so many requests on my curly hair routine, so here we are, darling. Yeah, that was a bad accent, but yeah, so many of y'all in my shorts be asking me I need an updated curly hair routine, and I'm like, yes sis, I got you. Hold on, cause why y'all can't see my hair color? Like, I'm telling you, this camera's playing with me, bro.
Bitch, who the fuck you talking to?
Around. We have to brush, we have to wash, and we have to style. Oh my god, I'm gonna be done at like 11 p.m. bro. All right, let's get into it then. This brush or nothing? This brush or nothing? I now became a sensitive scalp girly. Like, now my scalp is sensitive, so when I brush it, it hurts. But then also, I'm trying to prevent the most breakage. So this right here, yes, bro, this brush really went viral for a reason, and I'm obsessed. I will rave. I will not use any other brush for detangling besides this one. So get yourself an unbrush for real. Like, I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront, so you can go ahead and grab it there. My scalp is so itchy and dirty and fucking knotty and matted and just gross, y'all. Look at my hair.
Absolutely disgusting.
This is what we got going on. A fucking mess, bro. Alright, let's get into it, because the more I talk shit and contemplate on whether or not I want to do this, I could just be getting this shit done. Feel me? Am I ashy? You want to soak your hair to detangle it. You don't want to detangle your hair while it's dry. That is a big no-no. But I'm not gonna lie, one of these days I do want to brush my hair dry, because the amount of volume I will get and like that look of like the super big afro frizziness, oh my god, it's gonna eat. But y'all, I don't know when I'm gonna do that, because that shit is gonna take forever. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me in the shower. My shampoo, conditioner routine, style, blow dry, and voila. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna brush my hair. I'm gonna come back. It's been exactly 30 minutes since I last saw you. My hair is brushed. It took me 30 minutes to brush my hair. Oh, and I also forgot to mention a product. This is the Color Wow, the Curl Wow Curl Snag Free Pre-Poo Detangler. Yes, yes, yes. That's the truth right there, honestly. Any pre-poo detangling product is absolutely worth it. Even though you're just gonna wash it out immediately, I think it's worth it. So, FYI. All right, y'all, now we're about to get in the shower. And baby, closest isn't close enough. Alrighty, darling. We're going to wet all this hair. Damn, I haven't filmed in the shower in a minute, y'all. What's that? Like, what y'all up to? I take the brush with me in the shower, so I can obviously brush in the shower. Damn, my CeraVe got the fucking spotlight or what? Like, I see you in the city. Oh my god, it feels so good. It's like your own Korean head spa, bro. Have y'all ever been to one of those? Like, I'm scared, because I've been watching videos of them doing that Korean head spa, like the massage, and I feel like they're just gonna knot my shit up. I don't know, y'all. I would love to do it. It looks so freaking relaxing, but I'd want to go to one that specializes in like textured hair and knows how to, you feel me, maneuver. I'm going to go in with the Resource Curls Biotin Shampoo. I love the top, bro. Look at this shit. Just twist it. Oh my god, y'all see the bubbles coming out? Yeah, we're gonna need all that and more probably. I love having nails because I can really scratch the fuck out of my scalp. I also have this I got from As I Am. Shout out to As I Am. They sent it to me in PR. I can't believe I get to say shit like that. Like, what? I got this in PR. I use this. Really get in the front because that's where I'm dry as hell. Oh no! It's over my fucking eye. How long does it take you guys to do your curly hair routine? I know how long it takes you to brush, wash, style, and diffuse, like all of it. Look at y'all getting foggy again. Period. Does it add something to the video? Oh my god, so satisfying. My hair looks dark brown again. Bro, lately, y'all, I've been like a little bit insecure. My fucking edges right here spin a little bit, and I'm concerned, y'all, because fuck, like I'm 27. Why the fuck? Why am I thinning? I have low iron, and one of the #1 symptoms is hair thinning and hair loss. Love that for me. I've been trying to stay on top of like just my hair health. It's so hard, y'all. It's so fucking hard. But if you're also concerned about some hair loss, y'all, look into your deficiencies. Like, get your blood work done. I always say this because you never know. You might think it's like your genetics or stress, and which, although that can be true, it could be some deficiencies speeding up that process. So if you can prevent that, go ahead and do so. Resource Curls Biotin Conditioner, same top. Yes, girl, give me all of it. Get yourself a clip. Oh my god, this clip isn't thick enough. Put that hoe up. Leave her on for about 10 minutes. Now I'll wash my body and continue to watch my movie playing. So, okay, now that the water's fucking cold and I'm freezing my ass off. Love that. Honestly, it's better for my hair, so I guess, right? Alright, let's get out. It's fucking cold.
A few moments later.
It's clearly well over the next day, y'all. 1:54 the next day. And yeah, I don't know what we had going on. Clearly, I didn't do my hair last night, okay? I'm sorry. I put in this little dookie braid and I called it night because I was tired and my man got home and I wanted to spend time with him and we had dinner, so. I put my hair... Do not mind him, he's working upstairs. But yeah, I put my hair in this little dookie braid overnight. I'm crazy, y'all. Oh, don't think I'm crazy, okay? I know yesterday I had the little cute crop. And now I got the crew neck. My man got it for me for my birthday. I am a Stranger Things fan, okay? He's gonna re-wet the entire thing and I'm gonna come back. My hair is 80% wet. I'm changing my shirt because I want a lighter shirt so you can see my hair. You can't see the definition. You can't see the dimensions. Brown on brown. Low-key, I feel like brown's my color. Ever since I dyed my hair, I'm like, yeah, I always gravitate towards brown more. Slicking this whole back, bro. We're not doing no middle parts. These are all the products that I'm using, by the way. Yes, this right here will get you right. First, you're gonna take your bangs out. If you have bangs, you take them out first. That is why. All right, that's good. Twist her up in like a little bun and clip her out the way. Messy middle part. Messy middle part. I know I said like no middle part, but like we need a part. And the way to go is a messy. Oof, got my little messy part going. Split your hair in two. Put her away. First, let me hop out the motherfucking portion. Don't delete me. Resource curls. We love resource curls up in this household, okay? A little bit of this, a little bit of that. All throughout. The first product we put, heat protectant, and it's like a multi-leave-in vitamin. We split that half into a half. This right here, I've been loyal to her for the last, I want to say like 4 years. Y'all saw that? That's a lot. Oh shit. Let's get her done. Show some love to the ends, because our ends is the driest shit ever. It gets the least love out of everything. I'm also going with As I Am. I love As I Am, y'all. Oh my god, like, don't ever play. Just one pump. Then the gel. This combo is unmatched. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the gel with the leave-in, yeah. 2 pumps of the gel. And really get into it. Our beautiful bounce curl brush, and then you go through each section of hair and just brush. Yes, girl.
She a baddie, she showing her panties.
She bouncy. Yes, y'all see that? Y'all see that? I am overwhelmed. You know, it's good to just express your emotions of what you're feeling in the moment. So that's what I'm gonna try and start to do. Moving on to the next section, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you'll go section by section throughout your entire head for the most definition you can get. The heat protectant, the 2 leave-ins, and the gel. And we're gonna start diffusing. But I'll see y'all when I'm halfway through, because obviously it's gonna be the same thing. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Another thing you want to do as well with any brush, whether you use Denman or bounce curl, is always brush up and away, especially at the top. Do it like upwards, away from your head, and then that creates volume because it's going away from your root. You don't want to do too big of a piece because then your curls are going to clump together and then you're going to have to spend time separating them, and that's already too much. We already have more work. We already have hella work to do. Let's not create more work, you know what I mean? So I like to do it in smaller sections so the curls don't clump together as one. Last 2 pieces are right here. I even like did a weird zigzag for this one too because I don't like harsh lines. If you want to avoid the little harsh lines you get when you section your hair while you style it, just do like little random parts, like little zigzag weird parts like that. That's a curl hack nobody ever told me, but I'm here to tell you. I don't know, one day I randomly just did it. Like I zigzagged my middle part while I did my regular routine, and I never looked back. What, girlfriend? Get into it, sis. If you do want to try my routine, you know your hair best, so if you feel like it is too much product, then just do what you want to do, sis. But definitely try the combo. Yes, girlfriend. Look how cute these curls are already. I can't even see what kind of part I have, right? Period. Now, normally I finger coil each and every single strand to get my bangs to look like this. I'm gonna put a picture right here. But I'm not doing that right now because I don't have time for that shit. And my hairstylist, I was a little worried when she styled my bangs because she did not finger coil. And it came out fucking cute. So I was like, okay, girl, maybe you should take a break from the finger coiling. That shit does take fucking forever, y'all. Arch and look back at the butt. Oh, look at this. The shrinkage is actually, look how it's slowly curling. Oh my god. Hey, I love, bro. I'm so obsessed. Like, look at that. I'm gonna have to spend time separating the curls on my bangs, but whatever. This is what we got going on. Honestly, if it was up to me, I'd let my hair air dry for the entire day and then scrunch it out. That's the absolute best. Volume, definition, no frizz, but ain't nobody got time for that. Before diffusing, back again, back again. Oh, this is the same hair dryer I've had since I was like 13. If you look back at my videos from like 7 years ago for my hair videos, you will see this bad boy. All right, it's 3:28. I would like to be done at 4, like before. Y'all want to see what I got going on? The reality. Realidad.
I know you seen on me. I get the money passing your papa. Wait till you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share you be kids than any. You better drop your body and more. So free with this body. Make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. Take it to some move.
We are nearing the end. Jesus.
Baby, allow me. If you want me, allow me. See body, oh.
Honestly, I'm kind of nervous to see how my bangs came out because this is my first time not finger coiling them. Oh, hell no, they're long as fuck. Yo, but y'all see this though? Y'all get into the definition though. Like what? She's hella defined, hella voluminous. It's just the bangs. It's just pissing me off a little bit. Okay, so that did fix it a little bit. It's like super flat right there. If it's super flat going down at your roots, like for your curly bangs, just like scratch them back at the root right there. And then that will help. I'm definitely gonna cut some pieces because girl, get yourself some hair cutting scissors and just cut away, darling, cut away. Like that. Catching strays, brother. Yes, yes, literally yes. Get it to the back. It's just such a good routine. It's so reliable for real. If you need your hair done a specific way, you already know Oh Reliable is gonna come through and get you right. So now you'll get oil. Get yourself a oil. This is the As I Am Bond oil. She put my hand in the cuffs. Can't touch. Arch the back of the butt. Boom. Put some on your fingers like so. God damn, that shit is falling down. Put some on your fingers, darling. Honestly, there wasn't that many pieces I wanted to separate. But just for the sake of the video, this is what I usually would do if there was multiple curls that I wanted to separate. Okay, there's some down here. The more you separate the curls, the more volume you get. But then you also got to do it right because you'll get more volume, but then you'll get more frizz. So just be mindful, darling. Okay, and then I go in with the Food for Soft multi-use hair oil for all dry hair. So I have dry ass hair, and then it also breaks any type of cast that you have to put like an oil throughout your entire head. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill up the tube like that, everywhere, all over. I'm not gonna flip my bangs, but just every other part of my hair, and it smells so fucking good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look at this. Oh my god, y'all, I wish I could smell and feel. Immaculate, immaculate. Just look at all the volume. I'm getting hella. I feel like it's been a minute since I've had this much volume. That's why I'm like, whoa, I'm like obsessing right now. Oh my god, all right. If you know, you know. That's it. This is the final results. Y'all liked it? Okay, yeah. That's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you have some takeaways from this video and you get to incorporate them in your own routine. Let me know. And then put me onto your tips and tricks. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. This piece gotta go. We're not doing this. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.